Removing the card from the Presto account is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, go to the official Presto website, which is prestocard.ca. Click on the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the home page, and enter your account credentials to log in to your Presto account. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings or profile. This section is typically accessed through your account name or by selecting an option related to My Account or Account Information. Look for a section labeled something like Payment Methods, Wallet, or Manage Credit or Debit Cards. The exact wording can vary. Within the Payment Information or Card Management section, you should see a list of your saved credit or debit cards. Find the card you wish to remove, and there should be an option to remove or delete next to it. Click this option. You may be prompted to confirm your decision to remove the card from Presto, and you have to confirm it.